SAS Interview Question and Answer, question number 64. How do you extract records having maximum and minimum salary from each department? This question is asking about how to create a list of max and min salary from each department. There are different ways to solve this task. Mainly we use two-step process, that is the data step and procedure step. In this example, I am going to use data step method where I'm using employee dataset which is used in question number 63. Following data step code can be used to extract the records corresponding max and min salary from each department. Before using first and last variable, which is called data step method, we have to sort the data. That's why first of all we are going to sort data, employee data, and output dataset name is employee underscore sort by department, descending salary and run. Because we are going to use department wise salary list and we have to calculate what are the maximum and minimum salary from each department. That's why when we use descending salary, at that time it will display maximum salary at the top and minimum salary at the bottom department wise. Then we can use first.department and last.department to identify the max and min salary from each department. Next one is data max underscore salary underscore list that displays the maximum salary list from each department. Set emp underscore sort, that means the sorted data we use, which we have already sorted in first step. By department. Next one is if first.department, then output. That means it displays first record from each department and run. When we run the second set of code, then we will get the result as shown on the right side, first table. The output dataset name is max underscore salary underscore list. It has only 3 records because we have only 3 departments, and these 3 records are maximum salary from each department. Let me go through the last set of code that gives the minimum salary list. Dataset name min underscore salary underscore list. Set emp underscore sort, that the sorted data is used. By department, if last.department, then output and run. When we run this last set of code, then it displays the result as shown on the right side, second table. And dataset name is min underscore salary underscore list. It displays only 3 records, each from each department, and it displays the minimum salary list from each department. If we run the same set of code with a SAS window, then we will get the exactly same result. Let me go to the SAS window and run the same set of code. We are using here employee dataset. That's why first of all let me run this first set of code. That means the dataset that creates the dataset employee. It has 13 records and 4 variables. And we have only 3 departments here: electric, IT, and HR. And we are going to create list of the salary, maximum and minimum salary list from each department. Let me go back to the code and run first set of code. That means the sorting the data. Because before using first.variable and last.variable method, we have to use or we have to sort the data first. After then we can use data step method, which is called First.variable and Last.variable. Let me run first of all sorting process. Here data has sorted by department and descending with salary. That means we have 2 records from electric department, 4 records from HR, and remaining other from IT department. From electric, first record represents the maximum salary and second record represents the minimum salary from electric department. Because we have sorted the data by department after then descending salary. Let me go back to the code and run second set of code that creates the list of maximum salary list. Let me run this set of code. We observe here it displays only 3 records because we have only 3 departments. And it displays maximum salary from each department. That means Mark 8,000, Robert 8,750, Jess 8,700. These salaries are maximum salary from each department. Let me go back to the code and run last set of code that creates the list of minimum salary list. This is the result. It displays here 3 records and it displays the minimum salary list from each department. Mary, she has 6,200, Bob 6,500, and Jeff 4,500. These are the minimum salary list from each department. In this way, we can calculate the list of maximum and minimum salary from each department by using first.variable and last.variable, which is called data step method. That's all about question number 64. Thank you.